Choosing the best protein powder in 2026 can transform your fitness journey with smarter formulations and cleaner ingredients. In this review, we explore top-performing options designed for muscle growth, recovery, and overall wellness. Stay until the end to discover a surprising winner that delivers exceptional results and value. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 3. The best plant-based protein in 2026. Today's review is for you. We are taking a close look at Ritual Essential Protein Daily Shake 18+ and exploring what makes it stand out in a crowded market. Let's dive into the details. Each serving delivers 20 grams of plant-based protein, with a complete amino acid profile to help build lean muscle and support recovery. It includes 4 grams of BCAAs, 0 net carbs, and no sugar, making it ideal for balanced nutrition. Flavor truly matters, and this shake impresses with layered sweet vanilla, light caramel notes, and a gentle hint of spice. It blends smoothly with no chalky texture. There is no stevia, no sugar alcohols, and absolutely no unpleasant aftertaste. Ritual focuses on transparency and sourcing. The pea protein comes from regeneratively farmed peas grown in the United States. It also includes choline sourced from Missouri to support brain health, making the formula thoughtfully designed and fully traceable. With only 9 premium non-GMO ingredients, this vegan formula is gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free. It has earned the Clean Label Project Purity Award, meaning every batch is tested for heavy metals, pesticides, and other contaminants. Ritual even removed the plastic scoop to reduce packaging waste and lower its carbon footprint. You simply measure 5 tablespoons or 1/3 cup per serving, supporting sustainability without sacrificing convenience. Overall, Ritual Essential Protein Daily Shake 18+ combines clean nutrition, excellent taste, transparency, and sustainability, making it a strong plant-based choice for daily muscle support. Number 2. The Transparent Labs Whey Isolate, a premium choice known for purity and performance. If you care about quality ingredients and real results, stay tuned until the end to see if it's worth adding to your routine. One of the biggest highlights of Transparent Labs Whey Isolate is its commitment to purity. It's made from naturally fed, hormone-free whey and contains no artificial sweeteners, dyes, gluten, or preservatives. That means you're getting a clean, naturally flavored protein powder you can feel confident using daily. Each serving delivers an impressive 28 grams of protein, sourced from 100% grass-fed, grass-finished American dairy cattle. With minimal sugar and fat, it offers one of the highest protein by weight ratios available. This makes it ideal for anyone serious about maximizing lean muscle growth efficiently. This whey isolate is highly bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs and utilizes it efficiently. It's light on the stomach and mixes smoothly, making post-workout recovery easier. By promoting muscle repair and strength gains, it supports consistent progress in your fitness journey. Protein quality matters, and this formula contains all 9 essential amino acids in balanced ratios. These building blocks are critical for muscle protein synthesis, ensuring your body has what it needs to grow and recover properly after intense training sessions. Digestive comfort is often overlooked, but not here. This protein is designed to prevent bloating and discomfort commonly linked to high-protein diets. You get rapid absorption and smooth digestion, allowing your body to focus on muscle building without unwanted side effects. Overall, Transparent Labs Whey Isolate stands out for muscle gain and purity. If clean ingredients and effective results matter to you, this protein is absolutely worth considering. Number 1. The Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey, one of the most trusted supplements in fitness. Known for quality, taste, and results, it has earned its reputation worldwide. Stay with me to discover why it remains a top choice. Gold Standard 100% whey delivers 24 grams of blended protein per serving. It combines whey protein isolate, concentrate, and peptides to effectively support lean muscle mass. This thoughtful blend ensures fast absorption while maintaining sustained protein delivery, making it ideal for post-workout recovery and daily supplementation. With over 5 grams of naturally occurring BCAAs in every serving, this protein helps build lean and strong muscles. These amino acids play a key role in muscle repair and performance. Plus, it contains 0 trans fat, keeping your nutrition plan clean and balanced. Each scoop contains only 3 to 4 grams of carbs, 1 to 3 grams of sugar, and 1 to 1.5 grams of fat. It's gluten-free and fits easily into most diet plans. The double-rich chocolate flavor contains no sucralose. One standout feature is its instantized formula. This improves mixability, preventing lumps and clumps when blended with water or milk. The powder dissolves smoothly, creating a creamy texture that's enjoyable and convenient for busy lifestyles. Packaging may vary, but the trusted quality remains consistent. Overall, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey continues to set the benchmark. With balanced macros, excellent taste, and reliable performance, it's a safe and effective choice for anyone serious about fitness and muscle growth.